Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Beauty Secret by Samira. Girls, are you tired of painful waxing and razor cuts? Today I'm sharing with you a product that claims to remove hair in just 5 minutes. No pain, no cuts, just smooth skin. This is the Nair Rose Hair Removal Cream and I'm going to give you my honest review. Does it really work or is it just hype? Stay tuned till the end. Before we dive in, make sure to click the subscribe button. So let's get started. Here it is, Nair Rose Hair Removal Cream, and this is made in UK and the quantity is 110 gram. Comes with a spatula inside, specially made for arms, legs, underarms and private area. Infused with rose fragrance, so it's more gentle than typical chemical smelling creams. The brand promises soft, silky skin in minutes. So now I'm saying that how to use this cream. Apply a thick, even layer or unwanted hair. Don't rub in, just spread smoothly. Wait for 5 to 7 minutes only. Use the spatula to gently remove. If the hair comes off easily, clean the rest. Wash with lukewarm water. Pro tips, always do a patch test 24 hours before using, especially if your skin is sensitive. So now I'm saying my personal experience and reactions. So I tested it on my underarm and arm area. Within 6 minutes, most of the hair came off super quick and painless. My skin felt soft, no razor bumps, no redness. The rose fragrance actually makes it feel refreshing. But let's be real, if you keep it longer than 10 minutes, it may be a little burn or heated. For very thick hair, it doesn't clean 100% in one go. Not recommended for facial hair or extremely sensitive areas. Overall, I would say this is perfect for quick fixes at home when you don't want salon visits. So now I'm saying the positive and the negative side of this product. The positive side this cream is painless hair removal, works in 5 to 7 minutes, affordable and available in Bangladesh. Rose fragrance is nice. And the negative side of this product is short-term results. Hair grows back in 3 to 4 days. Not for the face, can irritate if misused. So would I recommend Nair Rose Hair Removal Cream? Yes. For arms, legs and underarms, it's a quick and easy solution. If you found this review helpful, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to Beauty Secret by Samira for more real and honest beauty reviews. See you in my next video. Take care and bye.